Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best Burr grinders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Burr grinders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Burr grinders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss what to consider when buying a Burr grinder. The first thing to look at is grind consistency, which ensures your coffee beans are evenly ground for better flavor extraction. Next, consider the grind settings. A good Burr grinder should offer multiple options, from fine espresso to coarse French press. You should also check the burr type. Conical burrs are quieter and produce less heat, while flat burrs give more uniform grounds. Build quality matters too. Metal burrs and durable housing last longer than plastic ones. Think about ease of cleaning and how simple it is to remove the burrs for maintenance. Finally, consider the price and brand reputation to ensure you get long-term reliability and support. Taking time to compare these factors helps you find the best grinder for your brewing needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more coffee tips.